Guardianship. Guardianship means that you have the ability to deal with somebody else in terms of their person, their body. It involves medical decisions. It involves where they live, who they socialize with, the treatments they get, treatments that are withheld in the case of we have an end-of-life situation where a person doesn't want very extreme measures taken in order to keep them alive if they're not going to recover from it. Those choices are very personal, and so it's important for everyone to be able to pick in advance who they think could really follow their best wishes. There could be some family members that love you so much, but wouldn't have the ability to follow your wish just because of their own personal beliefs. By doing a document called a personal directive, you can pick who makes those decisions for you if you lose your ability to do that. If you don't have that document in place, then we have to do what's called a guardianship order. It's where we're looking for representation to assign a person, where the court picks somebody, to look after you and your physical needs, your body, all the things dealing with you. Not money and assets, that's something else, that's trusteeship. Guardianship is just dealing with yourself. So how do you make sure the right person applies for a guardianship order to make sure that representation is what you want? That personal directive document. Without it, it could be anyone who makes the application. And sometimes you have conflicting people where there's a fight over one person thinks this is what's best for you, another person thinks that something else is best for you. And it doesn't happen that often, but in those cases, it could be a real struggle in terms of the family making those decisions. Guardianship orders can be expensive where there's not a fight over it. It could be $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. If you put together your personal directive, you're looking at a couple $100s. So it really is a good example of an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure when it comes to you and making decisions for yourself so that you ensure that your wishes are met.